So trucks these days can tow a lot of weight. We're talking 35,000 pounds worth of weight behind there. And I don't know about you, but I want to make sure that my truck can stop just as easily as it can start moving forward. Now, GMC is working on some technology that will allow both a truck and trailer to stop in the same amount of distance as it takes just the truck to stop. Now, how are they doing that? Well, with the e-boost system that they have on all their trucks. Essentially, they can apply an e-boost module, some software, and some better trailer tires, and they can ensure that that trailer and truck can stop really succinctly and easily. Now, right now, GMC has only tested this on a 9,000 pound trailer, which is a little bit less than what we've got right back here. And it's not commercially viable. We don't know if you would get it from your trailer dealer, if it would come on the trailer automatically, or if it's something that you would put on your trailer through GMC. However, just knowing that there is a way to make your truck and trailer stop safer, man, that is some technology that I would love to see.